Hello. So today we're going to continue with finding the rule. So yesterday you were doing additive and multiplicative, and we're going to be doing that again today. Now, yesterday we were just doing adding rules and multiplication rules. So now what I want to do is show you what subtracting rules look like and division rules look like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that with this example. So this is called discounts. The input, which is also the independent variable, and it's x, is 75 in the first one, and the output, which is also the dependent variable, which is y, is 63. So it went from a large number to a small number, so it has to be either subtraction or division. So if I look at it carefully, 75 to 63, 120 to 108, and 195 to 183. So to me, it looks like I'm subtracting 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put minus 12 and see if that's correct. So 75 minus 12, so 75 minus 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, 5 minus 3, okay? So that's correct. So that does equal that. So if I do minus 12 here, well, 120 minus 10 is 110, minus 2 is 108, so that's correct. Then we have minus 12 again, so again 195, so 5 minus 2 is 3, and 9 minus 1 is 8, so yeah, so that means that this is correct. The minus 12 is the process. So the way I'm going to write it again is that's a generic equation, so I could put any input or any independent variable and it'll give me the output of the dependent variable. So in this case, I'm going to put y equals x minus 12. So in this case, because it is subtraction, we're still going to say that it's an additive relationship, because remember, subtraction is the inverse property of addition. So make sure that you are understanding this, and because you're going to do some on your own. So go ahead and write this in your assignment and then go to the next question. If you have trouble with the question, make sure that you come back to this video.